telling me. You inspire me to go harder. My savages. I'm always dressing fresher than a mannequin. I grew up in a ruthless ass environment. I'm on the phone with yo, I ask them how to try and win. 35 racks, that's how my day was spent. I got a cocky back, that's how my day would get. You got me thinking all these bitches artificial. The way you acting, you must don't respect the real nigga. Roll some herb up, pour some syrup up. They try to infiltrate us and then betrayed us. I told you way before what happened, they was ain't no nuts. You know when we was looking for it, they was mad at us. Hey, there's a letter for my dog. How we let the money get between us. How we let these bitches get between us. How we let these niggas get between us. I got love for all my savages with itchy fingers. I got love, but it ain't like the love I got for Indy. She held me down when I was broke, I got her to infinity. My little dog called a murder, going for infinity. Dumping ashes on your obituary, I know you're feeling me. I love you, my friend, that quick, you should've seen this shit. 20,000 on the child support, I seen this shit. Round around with all them choppers, I done seen this shit. These rappers mad at me, but these niggas ain't doing shit. And I just bought a pound of kush so I can smoke that shit. I went and spent a half a ticket at the dealership. The fame is doing a lot of damage to my friendship. If Esco didn't love me, would've been a drug ship. And it's the love from my fans got me still here. Flip nigga, give me some codeine and sip nigga. Big face head, wipe a nigga nose. My girl changed the lock on the doors. They put a shit put up before. Ain't falling in love with no hoe. That what you want from me? That what you really expect? You thinking I'm still depressed? I'm so I can't give me a check. I had to fuck with any of you niggas. That's my only regret. Drag the milk on the floor. Procurement links on my hoe. 10 whips in a row. Who would think we was broke? Who would think we was broke? It's money laying on the floor. Got some hoes laying on some hoes. Got a shot of whip shit pro. No, she never meet another nigga, not another nigga like me. Even if he got $1 billion, he can make it come like me. Who come from Mitchell like that? It better be about an image. Tell me y'all that this a gimmick. They thought the whip got rented because the spur one tinted. I told him ain't got nothing to hide. Told him I grew with the pie. Told him fuck all of my wrongs, but don't even ride. My savages, my savages, my savages. We gon' leave a nigga still for in a minute.
Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Whatever you do, just make sure you get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Crib so big that it came with a maid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Now, rule number 1, get the money first. Rule number 2, don't forget to get the money. Play by these rules and everything will be okay. Still in my trap, flipping my Frito-Lays. Go get the money, it ain't nothing that's important to me. Nah, I showed her a Xanax, she hurry up and took it. I fucked her so good, she got up and started cooking. Rolling up big blunts, out a pound of cookies. If you ain't got 40 bands, then you can't book me. Put up on the side, your bitch, she wouldn't stop looking. That bitch good as took it, good as gone. I guarantee that not my nigga, that bitch ain't coming home. I got money to count, I got bitches to fuck, got packs to flip, pistols to bust. When I was small, I ain't have nothing. Thought I said a dope and prayed to God for a plug. He showed up and said, get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Whatever you do, just make sure you get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Crib so big that it came with a maid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, nigga. Get paid, bitch. On some rich nigga shit, we on the same shit. Me and my Memphis Grizzly partner fuck the same bitch. The only difference is I'm a trap nigga. Don't you hear it in my voice when I rap, nigga? On South Beach with E-Fees and throwing stacks, nigga. Turn to the max, nigga. Facts, nigga. She met me for the first time, didn't know how to act, nigga. Double law parked in my motherfucking front yard. Trap jumping like the motherfucking Million Man Mars. If she ain't got a fat ass, then she can't get up in this car. I can tell if that ass real or fake by how she walks. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Whatever you do, just make sure you get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid.
phone with Joe, boy, I be telling him. You inspire me to go harder. So, real talk. My savages, my savages, my savages. I'm always dressing fresher than a mannequin. I grew up in a ruthless ass environment. I'm on the phone with yo, I ask him how the trial went. 25 racks, that's how my day was spent. I got a cocky back, that's how my day would get. You got me thinking all these bitches artificial. The way you acting, you must don't respect the real nigga. Lost some herb up, lost some syrup up. They try to infiltrate us and then betrayed us. I told you way before what happened, they was ain't on us. You know when we was looking for it, they was mad at us. Hey, there's a letter for my dog. How we let the money get between us. How we let these bitches get between us. How we let these niggas get between us. I got love for all my savages with itchy fingers. I got love, but it ain't like the love I got for Indy. She held me down when I was broke, I got her to infinity. My little dog caught a murder, gone for infinity. Dumping ashes on your picture where I know you're feeling me. I love you, my friend, that quick, you should've seen this shit. 20,000 on the child support, I seen this shit. Round around with all them choppers, I done seen this shit. These rappers mad at me, but these niggas ain't doing shit. And I just bought a pound of kush so I can smoke that shit. I went and spent a half a ticket at the dealership. The fame is doing a lot of damage to my friendships. If Esco didn't love me, would've been a jump ship. And it's the love from my fans got me still here. Flip nigga, give me some codeine and sip nigga. Big bass head, wipe a nigga nose. My girl changed the lock on the doors. They put that shit caught up before. Ain't falling in love with no hoe. That what you want from me? That what you really expect? You thinking I'm still impressed? Or someone can give me a check? I had to fuck with either you niggas. That's my only regret. Drag the mink on the floor. Procure my links on my hoe. 10 whips in a row. Who would think we was broke? Who would think we was broke? Money laying on the floor. Got some hoes laying on some hoes. Got a shot with a shit pro. No, she never meet another nigga, not another nigga like me. Even if he got $1 billion, he can make it come like me. Who come from Mitchell like that? It better be about an image. Tell me y'all that this a gimmick. They thought the whip got rented because the spur one tenant. I told him ain't got nothing to hide. Told him I grew with the pies. Told him fuck all of my wrongs, but don't even ride. My savages, my savages, my savages. We gon' leave a nigga stiffer than a man.
Get paid, young nigga, get paid. Get paid, young nigga, get paid.